What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on Spell token, which has not been performing too well over the last couple of weeks and months. As you guys can see here, the chart itself is down 2% in the last 24 hours. Over the week it is down a massive 11%, and over the whole month it has just about stabilized itself at just over 1% up, even though the crypto market, including Bitcoin, has slowly started to pump up in value over the last month, as you guys can see, going from $74,000 to right now $95,000. Spell token has not pumped up too much, so we'll be going through what is next for this crypto going into May, June, July, and for the rest of the year. Is this a crypto to be holding on to or investing into, and essentially looking at its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. So as you guys can see here, the RSI is currently at 52.97, which is nowhere near being overvalued or undervalued. In fact, it's pretty much bang on in the middle, hence why the crypto has a lot of room for increases in value. It is not likely to drop majorly at the moment because it is performing like it's meant to. It's right in the middle. So as the crypto market, I'm predicting a bull run from Bitcoin, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. We should see Spell token trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially a 20 to 30% increase for most of, well, over the next 3 to 4 weeks, and even higher than that going into June, July, depending on how Bitcoin performs, as I'm expecting it to hit a new all-time high, heading over $110,000. But as usual, there will be more updates on that and regular updates on the crypto market. So if we get rid of the RSI and bring on the Bollinger Band, we can see the crypto again is trading in the lower half, as you guys can see, in the lower 50% between the green and the blue line, meaning yes, it is in the lower half and it is likely to drop down a little bit further down, hitting more red candles, but it is likely to head up into the upper half here going into mid to late May, so over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and potentially heading closer to the red value here, but we should see more increases in value. And if we do zoom in into the hourly chart with the MACD indicator, we can see that the MACD line is trading below the below the baseline, but still above the signal line, which means yes, it is likely to fluctuate around its current price range over the next couple of hours and days. So going into next week, it is likely to hit both green and red candles, but it is likely to average out where it is trading at the moment. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, it is not looking too great here. We can see it's trading below the base and the signal line, meaning it is looking quite bearish over the coming week. So more red candles, more red days are likely to appear on the graph over the coming week. As you guys can see, the blue line, which is the MACD line, is looking quite bearish, meaning more drops in value. Again, nothing too crazy, nothing major, but minimal drops in value is what is predicted. Zooming out to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit more bullish. It was trading above the signal line and the baseline, however right now it is pretty much in the middle. So again, over the next couple of months, I am predicting an overall increase in value from Spell token, especially that I am predicting Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high, heading closer to $125,000, $130,000, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. And Spell token, we should see more green candles on as well. So that is my take on Spell token. We can see here the trading volume is down 31% in the last 24 hours, currently at $6.3 million, guys, which is pretty low compared to how it was trading at earlier in the year. But we did see a major drop in value for Spell token. Over the last year itself, it is down 37%, but as mentioned, guys, it should come back up again. Nothing too crazy, but we should see minimal increase in value. A lot of people have been commenting on my previous updates on Spell token that it's likely to hit closer to the 5 cents target, which I'm going to highly disagree with, because for it to do that, it will have to get rid of 2 zeros, which yes, can happen, but it is very unlikely. It's not realistic at all, especially considering how the crypto market has been performing. But getting closer to 0.002 cents is more reasonable for the crypto, as it is likely to take a slow and steady increase in value. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting Spell token to go in 2025? Comment down below, guys, as I'm intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.